Welcome to the final part on starting and growing your small business. Let's get started. 1. Develop a marketing strategy using digital marketing, social media, content marketing, and SEO to attract customers. Build a strong brand and online presence with a professional website and active social media engagement. 2. Enhance your sales techniques by building rapport, responding to objections, creating urgency, and following up consistently. Understand your customers' needs and set clear sales goals. 3. Prepare for launch with a soft launch, beta testing, and promotional campaigns. Gather customer feedback through surveys and reviews to improve your offering. 4. Plan for growth by expanding your product line, entering new markets, and investing in marketing. Stay competitive by monitoring industry trends and encouraging innovation. Starting a small business requires thoughtful planning and execution. Follow these steps to lay a strong foundation and achieve long-term success. Remember, entrepreneurship is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. Stay flexible and committed to your goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.